Today, we're checking out my awesome new compact and ultra sharp EDC knife. It's super versatile and will have you prepared when you need it. The first thing you notice about this knife is the vintage rosewood handle. It looks awesome and it feels comfortable to hold. Not to mention, it feels durable and rugged. It comes complete with a deep pocket clip that you can use to tuck away and have it ready when you need it. Then it has a thumb stud that you can push down to flip out the blade. The spring assistance makes it super easy to open and allows you to open it with one hand. The blade is made out of a black 3C R13 stainless steel and is razor sharp. It just glides through everything like butter. The blade is 3.46 inches long and the knife's overall length is 8.46 inches, making this nice and compact. While the blade is open, the safe liner lock is active, so it won't shut on you unexpectedly. I used a blade without a safe liner lock as a kid, and look what happened. Yeah, not fun. If you want to shut it, you have to push the safe liner lock to the side, and then fold to shut. Then, on the back of the knife, you have a sturdy glass breaking tool. You can use this to bust out windows and get out, or into, those sticky situations. This knife has been so helpful. I've been using this for my unboxings, and for little projects around the farm. Maybe even busted out a window or two. This is my favorite new knife, and I've been using it a ton, and there's no signs of wear. So if you're looking for a knife that looks awesome, is comfortable to handle, and is super sharp, this knife might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go carve my initials into wood, just like the good old days. See ya.
Ja, goeie, dit wordt vast. Er is absoluut goeie.